In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a ChatGPT conversation. Whether you want to save a copy for your records, keep a helpful response for later, or print out an entire chat for reference, I've got you covered. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video, as it really helps me out and motivates me to create more tutorials like this. Alright, let's dive right in. The first step is to open up ChatGPT in your preferred web browser and sign into your account. If you're already logged in, great! If not, just enter your credentials and you'll be taken to your chat dashboard. Once you're inside ChatGPT, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see your chat history. This is where all your previous conversations are stored. Browse through the list and find the specific conversation you want to print. This could be anything from a quick interaction to a lengthy discussion. Whatever you need, it should be right there. Click on the conversation to open it up fully on your screen. It's important to ensure that it's the right one, especially if you have multiple chats saved. A good way to double-check this is by using your mouse to click anywhere inside the chat window. You can also drag your mouse to highlight a specific section of the conversation if you're interested in focusing on just a part of it. This is especially useful if you don't need the entire chat but only specific pieces of information. Once you have the right conversation visible on your screen, the next step is to print it. Right-click anywhere on the conversation page with your mouse and a menu will pop up. Among the options listed, look for the Print option and click on it. This will open your browser's print preview window, which gives you a look at what the printed page will look like. In the print window, you'll have several options to customize how you want your printout to look. You can choose your printer from a list of connected devices, adjust the page orientation, whether you want it to be portrait or landscape, and even select the number of copies you want. Don't forget to preview how the conversation will appear on paper. This way, you can make sure everything looks just right before you proceed. Now, if you're not looking to print it right away and prefer to save it digitally, you have another option. Most browsers allow you to change the destination to Save as PDF instead. This is a fantastic choice if you want to keep a digital copy of the conversation for future reference or just don't have a printer handy. Once you've adjusted everything to your liking, either hit the Print button if you're printing directly or select Save if you're creating a PDF. Your ChatGPT conversation will now be printed or saved in your chosen format just like that. And there you have it. You now know how to print a ChatGPT conversation in just a few simple steps. It's straightforward, and once you do it once, you may find it easy to repeat whenever you need to keep a record of your chats. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out more helpful tech videos on the channel. Thank you for watching, and happy printing!